Arriving in Flagstaff. Well, this is downtown Flagstaff in the train tracks, where apparently there are 100 trains a day going from the west coast ports to the Midwest. Here we go. Jeez. They don't muck about here. Like that. Imagine living in a town where this occurs about every 15 minutes. Just ahead of me here is the railway station, presumably the Amtrak railway station, where you can buy tickets to various places. So we're going to go and have a look, see where you can go. This is the train that keeps coming. I mean, really, how long is it? Those bad boys pushing that thing. My God. What a sight. That train must have had 100 container wagons. This is the visitor centre, which was of course the old railway station. Looks like it has a little train track that runs around halfway up the walls. A lovely old building. This is the intersection of San Francisco Street and Route 66. A little bit al fresco down the side alleys. There's a bit of bohemia about this place. I'm not quite sure why. This is the corner of Aspen and San Francisco. Fairly old buildings. Babbitt Brothers, ranchers, merchants and Indian traders. Hotel Monte Vista. For America, this has got some old buildings. I think this is the town square. It's kind of slightly interesting, I suppose. A place to sit and meet. That's about it. Oh yeah. This is known as Heritage Square Plaza. And across on the other corner is a fantastic old hotel with an upstairs balcony. And I guess in the old days those posts would have all been wooden. I can't imagine they're still wood now. Hotel Weatherford, 1897. This building was a bank, apparently. Another old sign. Walking to downtown Flagstaff, 6 o'clock in the evening, and hoping to find something to eat and perhaps even a small glass of beer. Well, thanks very much for watching. We're just checking out of Flagstaff now and heading back down to Phoenix. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, that would be nice. Thank you. You'll be able to see what else I get up to on my travels. Thanks again for watching.